hello friends, I am here once again with top 5 tech pieces which you can use in your day-to-day life and also give as a gift to your loved ones. So let's start with our first. It is a mini spy body camera, the hidden video recorder. It is the world's smallest portable pocket body camera which make it perfect as a home security camera or a housekeeper. It's like a nanny cam for recording both snapshot pictures and video without attracting any attention, and it's record in full HD videos and photos. And the NIYPC mini camera can record video in exceptional 180 pixel HD at 30 frames per second, enhanced night vision with 4 pieces RI LED light for a clear display in low light condition, and the superior motion detector. It has a superior motion detector and it supports up to 32 GB of memory card and a built-in 240 mAh battery. Fully charged, it can work about 50 minutes, plus it only record video when detecting movements because it has a superior motion detector which make NIYPC mini convert cam easier to save storage space and use longer time than other mini cameras. So if you want to buy it, then check the link in the description below. So it is a salt pepper gun spray, so it doesn't shoot metal balls, it doesn't shoot plastic balls, it just shoot balls made up of salt and pepper with some tear gas. So 2 rounds are filled with a non-lethal powder pepper spray and tear gas combination that break on contact immediately, causing temporary blindness, difficulty in breathing and serve impact distress. And the powered pepper spray and tear gas combination in each 2 round has been proven safe and effective by the US military police and the Federal Bureau of Prison. So it is a very new approach to home safety and for girls and for small children. So if you want to buy it, then link is in the description below. So it's a Murphy door design kit. So tell me that, have you always wanted your own secret passage? Now it is possible. So the hidden door system, like that bat cave, this unique patented hinge design is 100% made in USA and allow you to design and build your own hidden doors. Its feature and the ability to be used for an in-swing or out-swing door system is awesome. It provides a 100% concealed doorway system, simple to build and install, and have a lifetime warranty. So if you want to design something unique, then you should use this kit. It is very cool. So if you want to buy this, then link in the description below. So this is Nonda Zeus cable. It is 10 times more stronger and made up of a NASA material which is used in the Curiosity robo which are sent on Mars for the missions. So let's talk about its features. It is super compatible and it charge up and sign data with most Android and Windows phone and tablet and other device with a micro USB port. It has a 10 times longer lifespan than a normal cable. It is made up of a military grade aramide fiber and a braided nylon. The Zeus cable can be bent more than 15k times. It has a lifetime warranty when you buy it. So it is tangle free, which is because it is made up of a tough nylon braiding material which keeps the Zeus cable inherently tangle free. So it regularly fit with anywhere, just like it comes with a 180-degree straight USB plug design. So if you want to buy this cable, then the link is in the description below. So this is Sigma 200 by 500 mm ultra telephoto zoom lens for Canon DSLR cameras. So now talk about its features and details. So it is ultra telephoto zoom lens. It has a fast aperture of f2.8 at 500 mm and f5.6 at 1000 mm focal length. It has a dedicated attachment which ensure auto focusing at 1000 mm focal length, and it also has SLD and 3 ELD glass elements provide high quality image from the maximum larger aperture. So if you want to buy this thing, so check out its descriptions, its review and everything carefully, because it is expensive, more than $20,000. So I don't want to, or I don't want that you lose your money on a waste product. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with more awesome tech things, and keep blessed and stay tuned. Bye bye.